So, parang internship courses.
Parang survival training?
Learning managerial works through actual hands-on experience. You'll do my job and I'll watch and silently judge.
Sige, I'm ready.
First lesson, reviewing the schedules. Dito mo malaman kung ano nakakapit.
So, kung delayed, magsasend na ba ako ng memo?
No, you'll check why it's delayed, talk to people, find a solution. Hindi pwedeng memo and page.
Or memo template.
Yun ang dapat ko gawin.
Okay, so dapat communicate, collaborate, and investigate. Okay, team. For today, finalize nyo yung concrete mix design and update yung progress report. And safety reminder, wear helmets kahit pogi ka.
So, hindi ako required.
Ikaw, double helmet.
Not bad, clear, confident, and brave. That helps to go to work. Alright, I need to decide on your hand. But don't let it touch fire.
Copy that, ako'y bahala.
So, how was it?
Nakakapagod, pero I learned how to balance deadlines, people, and my sanity.
That's what I need to hear. Now you understand that leadership isn't learned overnight. It is learned through experience.